Hello guys, welcome back to this channel once again. On today's video, we are taking you guys right into the heart of Ajalli town. And Ajalli town happens to be the local government headquarters of Orumba North. So this is the capital of Orumba North in Anambra State, Nigeria. And we are taking you guys to a mega project going on in this town. And this project is being handled being commissioned by the Anambra State government. So we'll take you guys to the various spots where active work is ongoing, and you will see the quality of work that the state government is delivering right in this town. So this ongoing construction is so interesting and so amazing. The quality of work on this site is wonderful. Like, I've not seen such work or such construction in Anambra State before now. You see, I've always told you guys that Anambra as a state is a construction site, and you will also see what I meant when I normally say that. Okay, you would see it for yourself, and you will also testify that this administration is not joking with road infrastructure in Anambra State. The state government is basically opening every road within the state. Like, the master plan of the state government is such a great master plan that the work is ongoing from the hinterlands and it's coming out to the major towns. Like, he's opening every major town in Anambra State to become more tolerable and to have access to every other location in the state. So this is one of the major constructions going on in Ajalli town, right in Orumba North local government area. And this is just the first phase of this construction, under this ongoing construction. This is just the first phase, and from here we will go to the second phase. You will see the massive bridge that is under construction also, and we'll also go to the third phase where you see a more massive bridge that is under construction. So this current administration is doing wonderfully well. If I am to give credit to this administration, I would say they are this is one of the best administrations that Anambra State has ever had in terms of road construction and infrastructure development in Anambra State. This administration is one of the best, and when these projects all get completed, Anambra State will really compete with any state within this country. I must tell you this. And the quality of work that's been delivered is excellent. These roads are roads that are going to last decades. Okay, these are not just roads that after construction in the next 1-2 years they'll go bad. No, the work that's going on, the quality of work that's going on are standard quality, that is standardized. It's not just anyhow road construction. Okay, look, if you look at the drainages, you see that these drainages are solidly constructed. Okay, they are not just all those ones that when you construct them before or during the rainy season they will start falling apart. If you look at the drainage, you see that it is a solid drainage that has been constructed. And this is just the first phase of the ongoing construction, road construction in Ajalli town in Orumba North. So stick with us. So you will go down to the bridge. You will see the bridge that's under construction right on this road, and then you also see the second bridge that's under construction. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share and like this post, and also don't forget to click on the notice bell down below so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to get to know about it. So we have gotten to the second phase of this road construction, and at this point a bridge has been constructed at this point. So we'll go down on foot so that we'll show you the actual work that's going on and the quality of work going on. You can also see that for yourself. Are you seeing the quality of the drainage system? This is a standard drainage system and not just anyhow drainage. You can see the quality and the thickness of the filling of this system. So this ongoing construction is quite impressive and quite recommendable. I appreciate the Anambra State government for this wonderful work that it is doing in the state. Every part of Anambra State has a similar project going on. There is either one project or the other going on virtually in every part of Anambra State. That is why I say that Anambra State at the moment is a construction site, and I'm not joking when I say so. You can go through our former videos and you will see lots of projects that are going on within the state, and we'll still keep bringing you more updates from different locations right within the state where such projects are ongoing. And this is just one of those projects that is ongoing in Anambra State. And you can see the bridge that has been constructed at this point. So the contractors are waiting for the bridge to get really solid and ready for use before they will start addressing this section of the road. So you can see what is happening in Ajalli town in Orumba North local government area of Anambra State. And this is the construction of Ajalli, Ukpo, Northija, Ofuma and Wabanka road right in Orumba North local government area. So this road links to several towns and villages, just like I mentioned earlier. The Ukpo town, Northija town, Ofuma town and Wabanka town. This road has a link to all these towns I just mentioned. So it's a very important and a very vital road right within this locality. So you can see the massive bridge that is constructed at this point of the road, and you can see the quality of work that is being done here. This is not just anyhow bridge. This bridge is constructed solidly and it to stand the test of time, because the construction is not just anyhow construction. Okay, the state government is really doing wonders in Anambra State. The Soludo administration has a master plan, and I believe when this master plan is being carried out completely, Anambra State will become the Dubai Taiwan that the state government said it will be. So we are really following up on that already, and with the kind of work that's going on within the state, I don't have any doubt that Anambra State will eventually become the Dubai Taiwan, just as the state governor said he will turn the state into. So we are hoping that Anambra State will soon become the light of the nation and Dubai Taiwan of Africa. Yes, we are hoping for that also. And you can see also for yourself what is happening in this part of Anambra State. Is this not wonderful? Is this not excellent? Is this not good? Just let me hear your thoughts on the comment section. What you think about this ongoing construction, and what you think about the Anambra State government, what you think about Soludo administration, what he is doing and what he has been doing and all he is yet to do. Let's hear your thoughts and your ideas on the comment section. So right now we're heading towards the third section of this construction, there's another massive bridge that is under construction at this section of the road. So we'll also get a space to park our vehicle, so we'll go down on foot to show you what is happening at this spot. Please watch this video to the end so that you get the full view of what is happening in Anambra State at this spot, at this section of the project. So stick with us on this video, guys. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel already, please do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share and like this post. Don't forget to click on the notice bell down below so that whenever we post a video, you will be the first to get to know about it. So this is a culvert that is being constructed at this point, and then we'll go right ahead so that you will see a massive bridge that is also under construction just right after this culvert. Stick with us as we go around this project site. So this is what is happening right in Ajalli town in Orumba North local government area. You can see a massive bridge that is under construction at this spot. Okay, so what they are doing over here right now, they are trying to create a diversion for the water, because they need to divert the water from the other side so that there will be an adequate space to construct this bridge without the water obstructing the construction. So at this spot, this bridge will be a linking bridge from the other from that culvert we just came in through, then across this bridge to the other side of the, if you look ahead, you see there's a road right ahead of us. Okay, so they are trying to construct this bridge, and when they are not constructing this bridge, they will now link this bridge up with the road ahead of us and then the one before us where we came in from. So these guys are actively at work. This is solution at work. The Anambra State government is really not joking with the road infrastructure development in the state. The state government is doing all its possible best to see that every part of Anambra State has an accessible road network, and this is what it looks like at this side of the state. So from this spot, if you look right behind of us, you saw where we came from. So they are linking that road, they are linking this road from that spot where we came from, and to go straight from here and then across this bridge, and then it will now go straight to the other side. You can see the road over there. Yes, so it will go straight to that road over there. So this is what is happening at the Ajalli axis of this construction. Always bringing it to you live and direct, just like always, freshly baked from oven. You won't see stuffs like this in any other playlist channel apart from this channel. We always bring it to you just the way it is. So let us know your thoughts on the comment section. What do you think about this ongoing construction? What do you think about Anambra State government? What do you think about the Soludo administration? And what do you think about the whole projects that are going on within Anambra State? Share your thoughts on the comment section. Share your ideas and your advices also. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Share, like, and comment on this post. Also, click on the notice bell down below so that whenever we post a video, you'll be the first to get to know about it. If you have watched up to this point, thank you so very much. Remain blessed and see you on our next video. Bye.